So if you have a situation where your deck posts weren't cut evenly on your deck, I'm going to show you how you can make them straight again so you can add lighting without any cutting or really many tools at all. Very little. Hi, Sophia.
Hi.
So Sophia's helping me today. As you can see, this deck post is cut really off, and and the light just doesn't look nice. It's not appealing looking when the light sits crooked like this. So how do you fix this? You're going to take a couple screws. I got galvanized screws here, and I'm going to show you what to do now. So Sophia's our little camera person today, right, Sophia?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to take the screws, right? And you're going to find the side that's lower. This side's lower, this side's higher. You're going to screw them in, right? Just an idea, just screw them in. It's not important how far. Try to make sure they're kind of even with each other, right?
Yeah.
Then you're going to put the light on there.
Yep.
And see if it levels it out. Now, it's a little off from me. Let me see. This one's a little lower, so I'm going to back this one out a little bit. And you can adjust them as much as you want. It's the easiest thing in the world. And now, as you can see, let me see this, Sophia. As you can see, we have a pretty straight deck light by just using two simple screws. I mean, you can also use plastic shims. I've used these in the past. They work well too. But the screws, I feel like, are the easiest thing, the most readily available thing. And since these ones are outdoor galvanized, they're never going to leave any rust spots or anything like that. As a little bonus, if you have a little bullet level, you can use that to make, perfect level adjustments. And you can take your screw and back them out with a screwdriver in or out as you need to fine tune everything. And you can see this one's pretty good. And this one here is pretty good. You can level them to each other. Pretty good. Hope this video gave you an easy solution to a problem that could be kind of a headache. Bye, Sophia.
Bye.